Timmy and the Lava Lamp. A dark, quiet bedroom. Moonlight peeks through the curtains. Timmy lies under his covers, eyes wide open. Timmy was scared. His bedroom was too quiet, too dark. The shadows in the corners stretched like tall monsters, and under his bed, he was certain something was watching him. He pulled the blanket up to his nose, trembling. "Uncle Gambo," he shouted. "Uncle Gambo!" Footsteps approached the door, creaks open, revealing the warm glow of the hallway. Gambo, in pajama pants and slippers, walks in. Uncle Gambo stepped in with a soft chuckle. "Whoa there, Timmy. What's going on?" Timmy ran into his arms. "My room is too dark. I keep seeing things under the bed." Gambo kneels down, ruffles Timmy's hair. Monsters, huh? You know, I used to think that too. But I've got a trick. A glowing trick that just might help, you know what I mean? Timmy blinked. "A trick?" Gambo winked. "Let's go to the kitchen." Gambo pulled out a few things from the drawers. A clear jar, oil, food coloring, a fizzy tablet. Timmy watched in wonder. "Before we make our glowing magic, let's talk safety. This fun experiment should always be done with an adult like Gambo. Glass jars can break, so handle them gently and on a flat surface. You might need warm water, so be extra careful not to spill or burn yourself. Never, I repeat, never, taste or drink anything you're using, even if it looks cool, even if it looks delicious. And make sure your workspace is clean and dry so nothing slips." With safety on their side and a plan in their hands, Timmy and Gambo were ready. Gambo, smiling. "First, we fill the jar, mostly with vegetable oil." Timmy poured slowly. The thick oil glistened like golden honey. Next, a little bit of warm water, just enough to settle at the bottom. Then Gambo added a few drops of bright blue food coloring. The color twisted and danced through the water like an underwater jellyfish. Finally, Gambo handed Timmy half of a fizzy tablet. "Ready?" he asked. Timmy nodded and dropped it in. Fizzle swirls, glowing blobs rise and fall. The kitchen filled with glowing bubbles. Timmy's eyes sparkled as his very own lava lamp came to life. Timmy enjoyed the lava lamp so much that he decided he would make one for his older sister Shirnice. That night, with the soft bubbly glow beside him, Timmy wasn't afraid of the dark anymore. No monsters under the bed, no scary shadows in the corners, just a peace motion of glowing bubbles up and down, up and down. He smiled, tucked in cozy, and began to drift off to sleep. Remember, little makers out there, before you try this at home, always ask an adult to help you from beginning to end. Never leave your lava lamp unattended, especially if you use warm water or heat. Place your lamp somewhere safe and steady, away from the edge of the furniture. And when you're done, clean up together. That's part of the fun. Timmy learned that night, a little light and a lot of love can chase even the darkest monsters away.